Today we're here at Heasmans in Sydney to find out why you should opt for an independent workshop for your Euro car's next brake service. The main thing most customers want is an equivalent brake product to the original VW parts, but without the wear issues. The standard VW pad wears the brake rotor down, causing lots of dust on the wheels and more expensive repairs at the dealer.
Europlus solves this, being a low-dust, low-rotor wear ceramic formulation braking solution, keeping your wheels clean and your car out of the workshop.
Europlus rotors are ECE certified to tough European product standards, meaning you're buying a quality product. For the mechanic, the Swift Fit coating means fast install as the rotors do not need to be cleaned. Match this with the Europlus pad's titanium strut technology, meaning there's no need to bed in the brakes and you have faster repair times in the workshop.
Let's get this VW Golf on the road and see how the Europlus brakes perform.
The Europlus rotor utilises high carbon metallurgy, which means improved stopping power under continuous heavy braking. You'll also notice improved noise dampening, which is for improved driver comfort. Let's face it, no one likes being stuck in traffic with squealing brakes.
With the Europlus installed and road tested, let's go find out more about why you should use an independent workshop like Heasmans.
So I'm here to have a chat with Brad Heasman, who's the General Manager of Heasmans here in Sydney. Brad, tell us a bit about the history of Heasmans and what it is you guys do here.
I'm the third generation of this business. My grandfather started back in 1948. It used to be a single bay workshop all the way up the other end of the building. Over the years we've grown and expanded, moved kind of up the block, and the workshop's grown a bit. We've got more departments in here. We do focus mostly on suspension, so we do a lot of lowering cars, lifting cars, fixing problems that people have with their suspension. And then over in this part of the workshop, we specialise in supercar upgrades.
So you've obviously got a lot of customers who drive late model Euro cars. Why do you opt for Bendix and Europlus?
They're more affordable and they last a lot longer, we find, than the factory stuff. You have a lot less dust than the factory pads and you don't have to bed these brakes in.
Well, there you have it. Next time your European car is up for its brake service, consider an independent workshop like our friends here at Heasmans and get them to fit a set of Bendix Euro Plus brakes.
Bendix, put your foot down with confidence.